Welcome to the brand new 2025 GMC Yukon Elevation in sterling metallic. This SUV is powered by a 5.3-liter V8, bolted up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the Elevation, starting off on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power locks, windows, and folding and adjustable mirrors, button-activated driving modes, automatic headlights and fog lights toggle, integrated trailer braking, electronic parking brake, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with paddle shifters, full digital gauge cluster, heads-up display, steering column shifter, 16.8-inch touchscreen complete with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and navigation, push-to-start ignition, dual-zone climate control. Below that, we have 2 USB charging ports and a wireless charging pad, Bose audio all throughout the vehicle, and the rear-view mirror camera. Taking a look at the exterior of the Yukon, starting off with the 22-inch wheels paired up with Bridgestone Alenza tires. Moving on, we have chrome door handles with paint-matched accents, Yukon badges on the doors, paint-matched mirrors with LED turn signals, GMC plaques on the fenders. Around the front of the vehicle, GMC badge in the center of the grille, LED daytime running lights and headlights. Back down the side of the vehicle, this truck is remote start equipped and has keyless entry. Side steps are installed. Rear tinted privacy windows with chrome trim all around. Roof rails are also installed. At the back of the vehicle, we have the Yukon, GMC, and Elevation badging here on the hatch. Heading back inside the Yukon, back seats here are car seat ready and easily collapsible, allowing for plenty of access to your third row. USB-C charging ports are on either side of the vehicle. Bose audio continues throughout the SUV. In the second row, we have twin 12.6-inch headrest mounted screens. In the center console, 2 cup holders, the third zone of your tri-zone climate control, 2 USB-C charging ports, 2 HDMI ports, and a power outlet. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the brand new 2025 GMC Yukon Elevation. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.